I should have done that the entire time.
I should have redone that too.
Yeah, we got.
This map looks promising.
You almost killed me, Wemi. I had to deal with that the entire time.
Please. Yeah, nice heal, but still bullshit.
Oh, that was such a good game last game. I don't care that I lost. That was fun.
Yeah, that map was actually fun. We should go again.
Yeah, it's too long.
That was fun. We should do it again sometime.
Alright, this door opens like 5 seconds late, by the way. 5 seconds late. We're gonna fall back.
Go back.
Bro, I remember one map. Oh, I don't know this name of the map, but it's like fucking Santa Claus, fucking.
Bitch, please.
Oh, Santa. That one fucking sucks.
Okay, now you took my fucking item too. Thanks, Dishwasher.
The hacks. Sandwich maker 3000. Alright, everyone just stay right here and defend. Once you see that time, you're gonna fall back. I fall back down, run. You're TPing right there. If you don't get back, you're getting TP. You gotta run.
Leave me here or quick.
Yeah, it's really quick. Alright, just get back here, defend here. Just stay right here.
Many.
You think that was
Oh god.
Alright, get back down here, just defend. Keep it right there. Once this door opens, they're actually gonna TP. No, man. Defend right here. Here, split defense. I also need some people on my side over here too.
You can't push me back!
Of course you were. And
Yeah, I can.
Instead.
I'll keep going until I'm gone!
Alright, everyone fall back down. Just focus on running this way.
Look at all the heavies.
Alright, everyone run down. Go. They TP.